Hello kids, how are we doing today? Today we're learning body parts in Yoruba. This is an update to our former video. Are you ready? Yeah! Yeah! Iti! Yeah! Iti! Yeah! Iti! Tongue! Ahọn. Say it after me again. Tongue! Ahọn. Say it after me again. Tongue! Ahọn. Shoulders! Ejika. Shoulders, Ejika. Say it again, shoulders, Ejika. Shoulders, Ejika. Kneel, Orúnkún. Kneel, Orúnkún. Kneel, Orúnkún. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. Great job, kids. Follow for more Yoruba for kids. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can keep enjoying our videos. See you next time. Bye.